gang? It's your boy Lies, aka MotoBroo, and we're on the flipping 50, and we're gonna do a top speed video. Let's get it. And like I was saying, we're doing the top speed run. I got my speedometer right here, as y'all can see. We're going 17 miles per hour right now. We're gonna see how fast this little 50 can go. I think it might go up to 35, 40, but we'll see. Before we get to that top speed though, let's shred a little bit, bro. Ooh, a little tune game. A little swerve. Woo! Swerve game on point, boy. See if I get a little stand-up going. Oh, we lit today, bro. I know the view is so crappy right here, so I'm gonna try to look up a little more. That's the thing, the view when I do a stand-up is like I sort of have to look down, and I know the view is crappy. Alright, we're in a little construction zone. Let's head over to the test track and get this flipping top speed going, because I know y'all want to know how fast this thing goes. And personally, I want to know too, because I have no idea. I feel like it'll go 35, 40, but we'll see. Let's hit this top speed, bro. I want to pull a wheelie before we get into this. Alright, let's go, top speed. The wheelie gives you a little extra juice, that's why I did that. 37, 38, 40, no way. Tuck up in a ball, bro. We're going 40, 42, 44. No way. Bro, I'm pinned right now, dude. I think the fastest it went was 43 or 44, around there. Let's go, bro. This is way faster than I expected this little pit bike to be. I thought it would go like 35 max. And if y'all are wondering, my bike is pretty much completely stock. I have a little CDI thing that helps it rev a little higher. But besides that, she is stock as can be. Just cruising. Bro, if you're thinking about getting a 50, bro, I'm telling you, get a 50. We're just flossing in front of the cars. A little one-hander. Little swerves. Woo! Alright, bro, let's hit another top speed, bro. I feel like we can hit 45. Let's go. Ball initiated. Stuck at 39, come on, 40! Come on, tuck into a small bowl. Yeah, I think we're only gonna be able to hit 40. Bro, but I feel like the bike could even rev higher, dude. Look, I'm pinned right now, dude. Yeah, bro, so I think around 40, maybe if you're going a little slightly downhill, you can hit 45-ish. But for the most part, 40 is the top speed on my freaking bike. But I do want to show you guys my CRF real quick, because I know you guys want to see how this bad boy is looking. I painted the rims. Let me see. I'm gonna go on this side so the sun you can see a little better. I painted the rims black. They turned out decent. Like, it really ain't too bad, to be honest. On some parts, like on this side, I messed up a little with the clear coat. I put a little too much clear coat on and it started crackling a little. But you live, you learn. Still stoked how it came out, and it looks pretty dope. So we got black rims on the freaking pitter now. Let's keep on cruising though. Get the speeds up. It's crazy because like there's no clutch and you can just pull the bike up. How fast? I'm going around 30. Yeah, around 28, 30. So yeah, third gear. Let's see if I can get a little faster. Around 30 miles per hour. Say what? You want a wheelie? Yeah, I got you. Yeah. You gonna record it or? Yeah. You want me to start down there and come this way? Yeah, I'm gonna start there and come this way. Let's go!
Yeah.
Do you get any of those?
Yeah. Let me see.
You see how standing up on the seat?
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't want to try it?
No, I can do it.
It's easy. This is probably harder to ride than this.
Get it, bro.
It's all yours.
Hey! Get me, bro.
You don't want to try it? Just hop on. Look, all you do is this. And it goes.
Oh, yeah?
It's easy. It's easy. Try it, bro. No?
No. Get it, bro.
Scary.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, bro.
Hey, have a good day, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I was trying to get homie to freaking shred the 50, but he wasn't about it, bro. I was like telling him, like, bro, that lawnmower is probably harder to ride than this goddamn pit bike. Holy crap. What a day, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this top speed video. I'll be posting some crazy videos soon. I know the last few videos have definitely been like just more chill and calm, but I try to throw a mix of everything, some crazy, some normal, just working on the bike videos, a little bit of everything, you know, because I'm trying to post every other day, and sometimes it's hard to like get the right content and figure out what to post. So, but I appreciate the love, support, even people who comment in saying like, joking around, trolling. I appreciate it. I love it, bro. I love the troll comments, especially if they're like funny troll comments. I dig it. So yeah, troll me in the comments down below. Stay motivated. Merch in the description. I freaking love you. Peace.